सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि तुम लोगों को पता है कि हम लोगों ने CSI या नेट फिज़िक्स की तैयारी के लिए एक सीरीज़ को शुरू किया है जिसमें हम लोग की क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स और मैकेनिक्स को देख रहे हैं। और इसमें हमारा जो सब टॉपिक सबसे पहले चल रहा है वो है पोटेंशियल एनालिसिस। तो अगर पिछले वीडियोस लेक्चर्स तुम लोगों ने अटेंड नहीं किए हैं तो वो एक बार अटेंड करके आओ, तो इस क्लास का बेनिफिट तुम लोगों को पता चलेगा। और इफ़ यू लाइक the content of the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe button. And let's start another example with another example, or you can say problem of potential. And this is actually a very nice potential, and this potential is nothing but v of x is equal to minus x squared by 2 plus x raised to power 4 by 4. Look at here, very smartly I choose the potential just like that, so that आफ्टर डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग वी आर गेटिंग अ सिंपल टर्म, है ना। अगर मैं इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट कर रहा हूँ, 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जा रहा है, 4 से 4 कैंसिल आउट हो जा रहा है। सो स्मार्टली आई हैव चूज दिस पोटेंशियल टू मेक सिंप्लिसिटी, just to make the calculations very easy, so that you can feel the physics, not the mathematical part. In your exam you will see here beta, or you can see here alpha. Instead of power 2 3 4 you can see beta gamma, so you have to change yourself, है ना। So very smartly I have choose these one. So what is the question here? My question is, मेरे को तुम लोगों से क्या चाहिए कि सबसे पहले तुम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करने हैं कि तुम लोगों का मैक्सिमा किस पॉइंट के ऊपर आ रहा है, तुम लोगों का मिनिमा किस पॉइंट के ऊपर आ रहा है। एंड यू हैव टू ऑल्सो कैलकुलेट द इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट, और वो तुम लोगों को पता है, वो हम यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे। फोर्स का फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफ्रेंशिएशन कर देंगे, और अगर फोर्स हमारी जीरो आ जाएगी, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे पोटेंशियल का डिफ्रेंशिएशन करने से हमें फोर्स मिल जाएगी। तो नेगेटिव ग्रेडियंट ऑफ पोटेंशियल निकालेंगे, तो फिर उस फोर्स को हम जीरो पुट करेंगे। जो पॉइंट मेरे पास आ जाएंगे वो पॉइंट्स क्या होंगे हमारे पास, देख लेंगे हम, कोई बात नहीं, अगर करना है तो कर लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं। सो वो पॉइंट्स हमारे क्या होंगे, इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट होंगे। उसके बाद हम मैक्सिमम मिनिमम पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमम एंड पॉइंट ऑफ मिनिमम फाइंड आउट करना है। देन उसके बाद हम लोगों को कैलकुलेट करना है, प्लॉट करना है, वी हैव टू प्लॉट पोटेंशियल वर्सेस एक्स ग्राफ। एंड देन उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हुए हमें प्लॉट करना पड़ेगा फोर्स वर्सेस एक्स ग्राफ। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स गो, लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व। सबसे पहले हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे सबसे इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट। सो इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट कौन से होते हैं, ऐसे पॉइंट जहाँ पे हमारी फोर्स की वैल्यू कितनी होती है, जीरो। सो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ फोर्स। टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ फोर्स, what we have to do, we have to just simply do this. Force is nothing but it will be equal to minus dv divided by dx, just negative gradient of potential. Force will be equal to minus d by dx of potential की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी, minus x square by 2 plus x raised to power 4 by 4. Just differentiate it, what we get, f is equal to minus x plus x raised to power 3. This is exactly what we are getting here from here. So now for equilibrium point, for equilibrium position, you can say for equilibrium position f must be equal to 0. So that simply means minus of x plus x cube, it must be equal to 0. So from here what we are getting, we have to take common minus x, and इनसाइड यू आर गेटिंग माइनस को तो शिफ्ट कर दे, पहले वो खत्म हो गया, माइनस एक्स बाहर कॉमन लिया तो उधर क्या बच जाएगा, 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. दैट सिंपली मीन्स फ्रॉम हियर x इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. दैट सिंपली मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 1. So these are the equilibrium points at where the force must be equal to 0. So ये पहला पार्ट हो गया हमारा, प्लीज नोट डाउन कर लें इसको अच्छे से. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द अनदर पार्ट, which is second part is you have to calculate the value of maxima and minima, and you also have to calculate the stable equilibrium point and unstable equilibrium points. So for that firstly we have to do dv divided by dx. It will be minus x square by 2 plus x raised to power 4 by 2. इसका क्या करेंगे हम, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशिएशन यानी कि d by dx. So after solving this, what you get minus x plus x raised to power 3. After solving the first order differentiation, you are getting this. Now to calculate the maxima and minima, what our task is, put dv divided by dx is equal to 0. So from here, minus x plus x cube, it will be equal to 0. Take minus x common and you are left with only 1 minus x square, it will be equal to 0. So from here, minus x it will be equal to 0 and 1 minus x square it will be equal to 0. Simply you can say minus x is equal to minus 1. That means x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1. This is the value of x. Now यहाँ से भी कितनी आ जाएगी, x is equal to 0. So these are the points where we have to check the second order differentiation. So from here, again differentiating this equation, what you get, d square v divided by dx square. You are left with only minus 1 plus 3x square. Minus 1 plus 3x square. So we have to check the second order differentiation, d square v by dx square, firstly at x is equal to 0. It simply means minus 1 plus 3 into 0, it will be equal to minus 1, which is less than 0. So x is equal to 0 is the point of maximum. Why maximum? Because it is minus 1 and minus 1 is less than 0, that means it is the point of maximum. And x is equal to 0 is the unstable इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट. ठीक है. सो अगर मैक्सिमम का पॉइंट आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स वो अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट होगा. सो फर्स्टली दिस इज द कंक्लूजन फॉर x इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ वी हैव टू चेक d square v by dx square at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, the value of potential will be minus 1 plus 3 into 1 whole square. You are left with only minus 1 plus 3, which is nothing but it will be equal to 2. Okay, are you getting me? So x is equal to 1 is the point of minimum. Why minimum? Because 2 is greater than 0. That's why it is the point of minimum. And x is equal to 1 is the stable equilibrium point. Why it is stable equilibrium point? Because it is a point of minimum. That's why we have the stable equilibrium point. Now what we have to do? Now next step is, so these are the points of stable and unstable equilibrium. So this is very simple. This is our second part of the question. Now what we have to do? We have to move forward for the third part. And in the third part, what we have to do? We have to plot a graph between potential and x. And for that, first step is to put this potential is equal to 0. We have to calculate the point at which the value of potential is 0. So for that, we have to simply put the potential is equal to 0. So for that, v of x must be equal to 0. So इसका सिंपल मतलब क्या हो गया? Minus x square by 2 plus x raised to power 4 by 4 is must be equal to 0. So from here, the LCM is 4 and you are left with only minus 2x square plus x raised to power 4 is equal to 0. इसको सोल्व करने पर क्या आ जाएगा? Minus 2x square plus x raised to power 4 is equal to 0. Take common minus 2x square minus 2x square, you are left with only 2 minus x square, it will be equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 comma x square is equal to 2, x is equal to plus minus square root of 2. So these are the 2 points. Okay. So next, so these are the 2 points at where the value of potential is 0. Next, at the point of maximum, that means point of maximum कहाँ है? 0 के ऊपर. तो 0 के ऊपर हमारी potential की value कितनी होगी? V of x it will be equal to V of, अभी किसके ऊपर चेक करेंगे? मैक्सिमम पॉइंट के लिए हमारी कितनी आएगी? V of 0, क्योंकि 0 के ऊपर हमारा मैक्सिमम आया है, तो f V of 0 कितना आ जाएगा? Minus 0 plus 0 cube. That means it will be equal to 0 here. V of 0 will be equal to 0. Next, V of 1. V of 1 will be equal to minus 1 plus 1 cube. So V of 1 will be equal to minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to again 0. So no, it's not be like that. Minus, so we have to check the potential now. So we have to put here. So it will be minus 1 square divided by 2. Okay. plus 1 raised to power 4 by 4, you are left with only minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So take LCM here, 4 is the LCM, minus 2 plus 1. So you are left with only 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so this is here. Next we have to calculate v of minus 1. So you are left with only minus of minus 1 square divided by 2 plus minus 1 the power 4 divided by 4. So it will be equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. You are left with only, take LCM here, minus 2 plus 1, you are left with only minus 1 by 4. So now we are able to plot the graph. Look at here, look at the beauty of physics now. These are the mathematical part. Now we have to check the beauty of physics. So to check the beauty, firstly I have to fill this marker with ink, and I don't know where is the ink. So we will we'll fill it later. So the value of potential is 0 at where? The value of potential is 0 at x is equal to 0. Let's say this is the point of x is equal to 0, and at x is equal to plus minus root 2. So root 2 is nothing but 1 point something. So let's say it is the point 1 here, and root 2 will be just right here, root 2, and this is the point minus 1, and here it is minus root 2. Okay, are you getting me? So these are the points, this point at this point the value of potential is 0. Next, the value of potential is maximum, that means unstable equilibrium point. It simply means the graph will be concave downward. Okay, and at x is equal to 0 the value of potential is 0. Concave downward simply means it will be just like this. Why it is right here? Because the value of potential is 0. This is the scale of potential, and this is the scale of x. Let me check the marker first now. Look at it. So here it will be concave upward here. So it will be just like this. Why it is here? Because at the point of maxima the value of potential is 0. Next we have to check the potential at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, that means at here we are getting the minima. That means here the graph is concave upward. Concave upward, why? Because it is the point of minima. At x is equal to 1, the value of potential is minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but it will be minus 0.25. Minus 0.25. It will lie at here. Let's say it will be minus 0.25. Okay, minus 0.25. And in front of at 1, we are getting the point of minima. Point of minima, that means we are getting the graph as concave upward. Okay, this is concave upward. Okay, next, at x is equal to minus 1, we haven't checked at x is equal to minus 1. So similarly we have to check now. We have to check here second order differentiation at x is equal to minus 1. At x is equal to minus 1, we are getting the same value. Look at here, d square v by dx square at x is equal to minus 1. It will be equal to second order differentiation में put करेंगे, that means minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square. You are left with only 2, which is greater than 0. So point of minima. Why minima? Because it is greater than 2, so it is a point of minima, and for minima we are getting the stable equilibrium point. That means at x is equal to minus 1, the value of potential is minus 1 by 4. That means again we are getting the same value. It will be this, but at right here, because we are checking it at minus 1, so it will be simply at right here. Concave upward again because it is point of minima. Next step is what? We have to just join these graphs. So we have to join it just like this. We have to just join it gently, properly, and we have to join it with the 0 points again, with the 0 point again. Look at here. This is the beauty of physics. This is the real feeling. Look at the graph. Who can guess? Who can guess? This is the answer from just right here. So this is the beauty of maxima and minima. By doing these calculations, we are getting the graph. And this is very nice potential. And look at the beauty part here. From here, it is clear that it is a symmetric potential. Because if I put x instead of minus x, look at here. If I will put, पहले ये उतार लो पूरा. I think take screenshot. Done. Look at here. If I will put x, if I will put minus x in place of x, then we are getting minus x whole square divided by 2 plus minus x raised to power 4 by 4. It will be minus x square, it will be x square divided by 2 plus minus x raised to power 4, it will be x raised to power 4 by 4. We are getting the same thing. That means our potential is even function. Our potential is symmetric. That's why it is symmetric, because here the design is this and cut copy paste here. Here the design is also this. Mirror image. That means our potential is symmetric. Look at the beauty part here. You can check it from here. If in exam you are getting the 4 options, 3 are unsymmetric and only single option is symmetric, then you will close your eyes and just tick over the symmetric graph. So these are the some fundamental tricks you have to keep in mind. Next, what is my fourth question? My fourth question is,